A lot of times we think there is nothing to grow through the fall in the vegetable garden, but one of the great things you can grow is garlic. In the south here where we are, we tend to grow soft neck garlic. Up north, you'd probably want to try hard neck garlic. I have some here. I actually went to the store, just the grocery store, and bought this. I've done that before a lot and it works great. So the first thing you want to do is you want to peel off the outer paper. We're just going to break the garlic off one at a time. And that is what we're going to plant. You can see there are some that are larger and some that are smaller. You want to plant the larger cloves, they'll turn into larger heads. The smaller cloves won't do as well. Now in the square foot garden, we are going to be planting 9 cloves per square foot. So it'll be in a grid. We're going to go ahead and just make a few rows here to loosen the dirt up a little bit. And then we'll take a garlic and we want to plant this side down. This will turn into the roots, this will turn into the stem. And we just kind of put it down about 2 inches into the ground. And we'll do that here for the other ones. Okay, and then we'll just cover them up. There we go. Now, it may take quite a while for you to see garlic poking up here, a couple weeks to even a month. They don't need any fertilization. At least at this point in their growth. And so you can just kind of come out and check on them every once in a while and see that, hey, it may be cold, it may be winter, but I've got some garlic growing in my garden.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.